this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the tuners, who's this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the tuners, who's this? The SE tuners, who's that? The SE tuners, who's this? The SE tuners, who's that? The SE tuners. Run up in the dark slide, everybody down. Run up in the dark slide, everybody down. Run up in the dark slide.
Welcome to the channel, and remember, for this month, everything you're seeing on the screen, you can win in a GRACIES Sweet Treats bucket, and all you have to do is just comment to win. Literally, that's all you have to do. Just comment to win everything you can see on the screen. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, so every time we upload a new video, you're alerted. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give us a like if you like the content that we're putting out. Remember, if you want to see our detailed cleaning guide using our Southeast Tunerz Valet products, you can go to the website www.southeasttuners.co.uk and you can download it from the cleaning guide page. So today, this is our first video showing you how the Southeast Tunerz Valet products work. We'll be using our cherry snow foam with a cherry fragrance. And our guinea pig for all of these videos will be the wife's car, which is a Mark 3.5, Mark 3, Mark 4, whatever you want to call it, VW Golf Cabriolet. Just taking a walk around the car at the moment to show you the dirt, the dust and everything that's on it. This car hasn't been washed for over a month, so you can see it's got quite a lot of water spots on it. The wheels, the front wheel here, you can see absolutely dirty. It's got a lot of dirt, grime, salt, you name it, everything's on there. If we take a closer look, you can see even the valve's gone a bit dusty. So this is a month's worth of brake dust and grime on the front alloy wheel. You can see on the rear wheel, not too bad. Not as much brake dust, but still a month's worth. Top of the boot lid, you can see all the watermarks and the spots and the dust in the atmosphere that's landing on the car. This car is parked in a garage, so obviously sitting in a garage, it will get or accumulate dust onto it as well. But this is just a quick walk around to show you how dirty the actual car is. Like I said, it hasn't been washed for a month, so no doubt you can see why it's completely spotty with the weather that we've been having. Even the trims along the side of the windows, I think I once went to polish the car and I forgot to take off most of the polish, but as you can see, they're going to need cleaning as well. So over the next couple of weeks or so, maybe even longer, as I'll clean this car, you will see the changes on the body and how the Southeast Tunerz Valet products work. Even the wipers here, you can see at the front of the car, absolutely disgusting, full of grime, full of dirt. The whole entire car, like I said, hasn't been washed for a month, and all those little white spots you can see is where I failed to polish the car properly. Also, even the aerial, look, even the aerial's got dirt, grime and polish spots on it. But I remember I started to wash and polish the car, and then the heavens opened up and I stopped halfway through, so this is why the car's got spots on it and everything else on it. Front bumper you just saw there was dirty, back window also dirty. The complete car literally is dirty. I'm just quickly going over it so you can see what it looks like, the before. So this is a before shot, rear bumper, but it's a before shot of all of the car, so you can see what it looks like. And then once we're finished, we'll go around the car again. Even the roof, we will be using our roof cleaner to show you how that works. Even the roof has got a lot of dust and grime and looks like hair and all different types of sorts of stuff on that. Absolutely crazy how the roof looks at the moment. I think we've got a rear shot of the roof as well, just on the side. Yep, there you go, more hairs and God knows whatever else is on the car. So yeah, literally a month's of driving and parked in the garage. That's what the car looks like. So today, just for cleaning purposes, because not everybody has a house or lives in a house or has a hose pipe they can use. So today I'm going to be using two pressure washers. One is the HAWKSMOOR high pressure washer, which you can see on the screen right now. 1800 watts, 140 bar max of power. I believe this HAWKSMOOR was £89. and I'll also be using the WORX. It's Your Nature, as you can see on the box, Hydro Shot, which is a battery powered jet wash. Does the job, but obviously it's not as powerful as a jet wash. It's not run off of mains, so it's run off of battery, so it will take you a little bit longer to clean the car, but it does do the job. And I bought this 20 valve lithium 4.0 amp battery here from eBay. This lasts a little bit longer than the batteries that actually come with the WORX unit. I think the batteries that come with the WORX unit will give you up to about 15 minutes. This battery I've used once already. It will give you anything from 45 minutes up to an hour. And as you can see here, it's got 2 bars left on the battery. So this should definitely work for me to show you how the snow foam works, and also be able to rinse off the car a little bit as well. So this is the HAWKSMOOR all set up. As I said, this is working off of the power. This is working off the mains, sorry. So this is the HAWKSMOOR here working off of the mains and a hose pipe. And here we have the WORX, which is working off of a 25 litre bottle of water and literally powered by a battery. So just to give you an idea of how the snow foam will work with either one. Right, so first off, what we're going to do here, because of all the dust and the grime over the month, we're going to give the car a quick rinse to get most of the dust, the grime, the brake dust and everything off of the car. So we're just going to give it a quick blow over. I must say the condition of the car is not bad for its year. I've probably had it resprayed probably around 2 years ago. So I've tried to keep up the maintenance on it and keep the car clean. But as you can see here in the video, the power coming from the HAWKSMOOR, a lot more powerful than what's coming out of the WORX. But the WORX still puts water onto the car and it still rinses off all the dirt and the grime and the dust. I use the WORX personally when I'm cleaning people's cars because I like to take my time and I like to get the job done. Just changing the nozzle sprays here so you can see the different kind of functions that the WORX jet wash has. There you go. I'm even going over the front where I've done it with the electric one. Okay, so this is the car all rinsed off now. Most of the dust I believe has been taken off. As you can see, the wheels are still dirty, a lot of grime, but we'll get to that soon. Just a quick look around the car. So the front of the car, the majority of it was done with the jet wash, the electric one, and the rear of the car, the majority of it was done with the battery powered. Just to show you, both of them do a good job, but obviously most people will prefer the electric. But like I say, the WORX for me is an everyday tool that I use in my spare time, and that's what I normally clean my clients and customers' cars with. Right, so here we have the 2 bottles, and that's our cherry snow foam, as I said, with a cherry fragrance. The smaller bottle is for the WORX battery operated jet wash, and the bigger bottle obviously is for the HAWKSMOOR electric power jet wash. I normally pour probably about a quarter of the snow foam into the bottles. Depending on how dense you want the actual snow foam, I pour it a quarter of the way and then I normally top it up with water, and it works perfect for me on the cars, not a problem at all. Both bottles now filled up with water, ready to go and be attached to both jet washers. One thing I will say, the HAWKSMOOR with the snow foam connected to the front of it, it's quite heavy, but it doesn't really bother me. I'm a big guy, so for me it's manageable. As you can see here, the WORX a lot lighter and a lot more easier to use. So we're now going to use the snow foam, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens. Right, so as I've gone to spray, there you go. Blooper number 1. So when I say that the front of the snow foam bottle is quite heavy, it is quite heavy. As soon as I sprayed it, I probably didn't lock it on properly, but it's falling straight off. There's a blooper for you straight away. But anyway, here we go. So this is the HAWKSMOOR in action. You can see does the job, even though I'm spraying half of the foam all over the place. Covering quite nicely onto the car, dripping down. You should normally start with the top of the car first, but I'm just showing you a demonstration here of how it goes on for the camera so you can see. So I've done the front half of the car with the HAWKSMOOR jet wash. Remember, this is powered by electricity. Now I'm going to use the battery operated WORX jet wash, and you will see how that goes on. So it comes out slightly thicker. Now if you've got one of those professional snow foam lances, well, you've got no problem. I use these because they work for me and they do the job just as good. But like I said, depends on what level you're doing, the kind of clientele you've got, the kind of customer base you've got. All depends on what you want to use. But as I said, the WORX jet wash does everything I need to do on a car. I've used it for small cars, big cars, limousines, vans, you name it. I've used it and it does the job. As you can see, the soap looks like it's gone on a bit thicker at the back than it has on the actual front, and that's with a battery powered snow foam lance. It might be more to do with the actual bottle itself, but as you can see, it's going on nicely. And this is our cherry snow foam in action. So just having a look at the car now. Only doing this for demonstration purposes. I should really be getting this snow foam off, you know, after it's been on the car for at least 3 to 5 minutes. I should be actually getting it off now, but I'm just showing you what it looks like using both jet washes so you can see. It's gone on nicely. And the next stage now is literally to rinse it all off. Right, so just showing you. In the WORX, there's a little bit of snow foam left, but trust me, I've used this before and the bottle will do the complete car. In the HAWKSMOOR, there's enough in there to actually do another vehicle if you wanted to. So just to show you how the snow foam goes on, how it's applied, and what you're actually left with. So now, it's time to rinse off the car and see the results from using the Southeast Tunerz cherry snow foam. So I'm going to give the car a quick rinse. First off, I'm going to use the WORX jet wash. So like I said, this is the first video showing you how the cherry snow foam works. So that's the back and the side of the car cleaned already with the WORX jet wash, and I'm now using the HAWKSMOOR to do the front. As you can see, it's a lot more easier. The water comes off, the snow foam comes off a bit quicker. But obviously that's the difference between battery powered and electric. So let's take a quick look at the car now. So the wheels, yep, they're still pretty bad, but I'm not worried about them at all. But the body of the car, the majority of the dust has gone from the front, on the windows, on the door. You can see there's actually a bit of sparkle coming through. Looks like I've got something on the car there, which I'll have to try and polish up. But you can see the car's even starting to sparkle now because the snow foam's removed quite a lot of the dust, the grime, the dirt and everything that's built up on the car for over a month. So this for me is a great start for washing the car, because the hard part of getting most of the grime and the dust and that off the cars, half of it's already been done. So this is just a video to show you how the cherry snow foam works. Probably one of the cheapest snow foams on the market at the moment, and it does a great job. Like I said, everybody asks me what Southeast Tunerz, you know, do we believe in our products? And yes, we do believe in our products. And you've asked me to show you how they've worked. So like I said, we're going to have some videos coming up over the next couple of weeks and months showing you how the Southeast Tunerz products work. But as you can see from this little video I've just shot here, the car is pretty clean. And because I'm trying to video and shoot everything and record and clean at the same time, obviously, you know, the waters are going to dry and so on and so forth. Oh, on the boot lid here you can see there's still some water marks, still some water spots, but yet again not worried about that. But the majority of the boot lid is a lot cleaner than it was. So that's our cherry snow foam in action. And over the next couple of weeks and months coming, we will be moving on to our other products. And by the end of all of these videos, once it's complete, the Wife's Mark 3.5 Golf should be absolutely clean.